Whether you're looking to use unofficial third-party apps on your Fire Stick for streaming movies, or you've installed add-ons and builds into Kodi running on Fire OS, using a VPN on your Fire Stick is essential for anyone looking to enter the jailbreak scene for your Fire Stick. There's no shortage of VPN options on the market today, but if you're wondering how your VPN can work with your Fire TV, we've got you covered. Let's take a look at using a VPN with your Amazon Fire Stick. If you're approaching the Fire Stick without first having purchased a VPN, you're in luck. Unlike on the Chromecast or the Apple TV, using a VPN on your Fire Stick is as easy as installing an app from the Amazon App Store. That said, not every major VPN has an app on the App Store, so if you've already purchased a VPN, you may find yourself without the ability to use it properly. So, for newcomers to the VPN scene, we recommend NordVPN. It's both speedy and affordable, and makes for a great option if you're looking for clean design and the easiest VPN to use overall. With over 5,000 servers in 62 countries, NordVPN offers one of the largest networks we've seen on a VPN to date. Nord is packed with features and options that make it easy to use no matter what you're looking to do. NordVPN also happens to run on a ton of platforms, and thankfully, your Fire TV is among them. Installing Nord on your Fire Stick is as simple as searching Alexa for NordVPN, then installing the app and logging into your account. Switch the VPN toggle to on, and your VPN will stay active in the background of your Fire Stick. If you are interested in using Nord, there's plenty of options on the Fire Stick for VPN usage. We also recommend both private internet access and IPVanish, both of which have great apps available on the Amazon App Store. Private internet access is one of the most affordable VPNs around, while IPVanish's network of 40,000 servers can't be beat. And if you still aren't interested in those VPNs, there's plenty more available on the Fire Stick. ExpressVPN, Windscribe, PureVPN, CyberGhost, and Ivacy VPN are all well-regarded VPNs with native apps available on the App Store. If you've already purchased a VPN that doesn't have an app available for Fire Stick, however, you'll either need to sideload the Android APK onto your Fire Stick, or use your VPN in conjunction with your router to protect your entire network at once. Once your VPN is set up, there's no limit to what you can stream on your Fire Stick. Subscribe to Tech Junkie for more Fire Stick tips, tricks, and guides, and check out one of these videos if you haven't already.